bow. Thank you. Hello everybody, Master G here with Miss Addie. Let's work on our basic kicking. We're going to be working on the back kick, or Dwi Cha Gi in Korean. Say it with me. Dwi Cha Gi. Dwi Cha Gi. Dwi Cha Gi. The back kick. So this is the most basic version of our kick. Now, this kick evolves into a spinning kick very easily, but before you learn the spin variation, you have to learn the actual back kick variation. And this is a very good in a self-defense situation. Say somebody comes up and is approaching you from behind, you can just look over your shoulder and just pop, kick them right there. Keep running the direction you're doing. And it's kind of a fun way to close the car door too. If your hands are full, you can be like, yeah, close your car door. Anyway, so we're gonna turn Miss Addie into a sideways position so that you can see what's going on. Now, we're gonna go from no stance right now. So she's gonna pick her leg up in that load position, like she's gonna do a front kick this way. So one,
sir.
And put it down. Good, one,
sir.
And put it down. One,
sir.
And put it down. Good, turn the opposite way.
Yes, sir.
Ready, one,
sir.
And put it down. One,
sir.
And put it down. One,
sir.
And put it down. Good, and turn back. Good. Now, I'm gonna hold on to Miss Addie again so she can go nice and slow. So, she is gonna go up to that first position. One,
sir.
Now she's gonna go straight backwards, look over her shoulder. Two, notice how her toes are towards the ground. Three, pull it right back. And four, put it down. Good. So you're leading with the heel, or your Dwi ball gumshi in Korean, you're leading with your heel. So you really don't wanna so pick up your leg one, and
sir.
lead with your toes two. So this is a very awkward, this is what you'll probably do if you're doing your back kick wrong, and you'll probably fall forward. If I wasn't grabbing her, she'd fall. So it's not very strong. So think about your heel is the star. Your toes don't want to touch that target at all if you can help it. Ready? One, two,
sir.
three,
Sir.
four.
Four, sir.
Good. And you want to think like a horse, kicking straight back in a straight line. Ready? One, two, three, four. Good.
Sir.
And the three position is notice how she's bringing her knee up to her elbow. That's so when you start to learn the spin variant, you close your body off in your vulnerable position. Good. And switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Ready? One,
sir.
two,
sir.
three,
sir.
four.
Four, sir.
Good. One,
sir.
two,
sir.
three,
Sir.
four.
Four, sir.
Now, all of these counting kicks can be applied either straight on the ground or with a chair or wall if you're struggling with balance. One,
sir.
two,
sir.
three,
Sir.
four. And if
Four,
you
sir.
want to be a strong kicker, my advice to you is go slow and smooth a lot. The slower and the stronger you can make your kicks, the slower you can take your time and the more body control you develop, the more lethal your kicks will be. Okay, now it's important to recognize that the lead leg is going to be the one that does the kick. It is not the rear leg, because the rear leg does not have the space to pull that kick off. So with that lead leg, you're gonna pick it up, put it two, shoot it back, three, and put it down in front. Good. Ready? One,
sir.
two,
sir.
three,
Sir.
four.
Four, sir.
Now, with your back kick, it's mostly a blind kick, but you are using your peripheral vision. If she rolls her hips all the way over to look with her whole vision, it's gonna turn into a side kick rather than a back kick, which is still very good, but it's not what we're working on. Ready? One, two,
sir.
three,
Sir.
four.
Four, sir.
Good. And switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Ready? One,
sir.
two,
sir.
three,
Sir.
four.
Four, sir.
Ready? One,
Sir.
two,
Sir.
three,
Sir.
four. And
Forward,
see,
sir.
again, Miss Addie's been training for years and years and years, and still, like, sometimes she misses up on her balance, so do not feel bad. We're all learning, we're all growing, we're all becoming better martial artists. Ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Ready? Hey!
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 Good, and switch feet. I need to come over here. Good, ready? Hey!
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 Excellent. And so again, just so you can see what this kick will evolve into, it evolves into the spinning back kick, but we're not focused on this video. This is just to show you what it evolves into. Hey!
Hey!
Good. So it generates a ton of power and it engages actually the most muscles for any of our kicks. So it can be potentially your most powerful scientifically, but through science, kick because it engages the most muscles. Good. That is our back kick, Dwi Cha Gi in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.